Good afternoon, inspection fans. This is Wright with Wright Inspections. Today we're looking at a home built in 1974. 74 was the last year they allowed them to use solid strand aluminum wiring because they realized it was a fire hazard. So wiring like that, those wires will expand and then shrink as they heat and cool. They become loose in the terminals. Worse than that, when you mix them with copper, they expand and contract differently. And that becomes more of a fire hazard. So this home has been substantially remodeled. And we got new wiring and old wiring together. We got multiple neutral wires, copper and aluminum under one screw. That's a big no-no. So seeing all this on a remodeled home means almost everything in this home needs to be checked by an electrician now, because that is beyond the scope of what I do. I see enough hazards here. Every outlet, every light fixture in the house now needs to be pulled and checked by a professional. Thanks for watching.